Hi, welcome to This Week in Nashville Real Estate. I'm Patrick Pruitt with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Woodmont Realty. Here giving you news and information that are impacting today's real estate market in Nashville. And today I want to talk with you about first-time home buyers. There are a lot of first-time home buyers in the market today, and that's driven a lot by the millennial generation, which is now the largest generation in our population in the United States. Did you know there were actually over 72 million people born between 1981 and 1996? That's the largest generation ever in this country and beating the baby boomer generation by several million people. And so I want to give you some tips as first-time home buyers, things that you need to do to prepare and look for as you're out there for the first time trying to buy your first house. It can be a really exciting thing, but it also can be a little bit scary. And so hopefully I can give you some tips that will help you understand things and make you more confident as you're going out into the market and you're going to buy your first home. So one of the first things you can do is to really understand your credit score. Lenders are looking for a good credit score of 660 to 740. That's going to give you a better interest rate and a better chance of getting a loan from a bank. Now, you can get a loan with a lower credit score. However, that's going to fluctuate the interest rate and things of that nature. So, even a 0.25% change in the interest rate can save you tens of thousands of dollars over the term of your loan. And so there are things you can do to improve your credit score. So look into that and make sure that you really know and understand your credit score as you're going to the banks to look for your loan. And that's really your next step, is to find out from a lender how much house you can afford to buy, what type of loan you can get, what's the interest rate going to be, what are the monthly payments, do I need a cosigner to get this loan? These are all things that the bank can help you figure out. And then, if you're talking to multiple banks, you can choose which one is the best fit for you. Now, after you've done that, and the other thing the bank can do for you is to give you a pre-approval letter, and that's something that really important in today's marketplace. It just makes you more competitive with all of the buyers that are out there. Sellers are looking at and trying to distinguish the different buyers and their offers, and having a pre-approval letter can really help in that buying process. So the next step, or the next thing you need to think about is the type of loan. There are really three common types of loan. One of them is called a conventional loan, and the conventional loan requires a 20% down payment. Now, you can get a conventional loan with less than 20% down payment. However, that would trigger a property mortgage insurance payment that you would make to your lender as well. The PMI can cost anywhere from 0.4% to 2.25%, and really that depends on your credit score, the size of the mortgage, and a number of other factors that the banks are going to consider. And not all banks are the same either. So different banks have different requirements and different lending standards. So take that into account as well as you're talking with the lenders. The next type of loan that you'll hear about is an FHA. Now, the FHA loan, the Federal Housing Administration, that only requires a 3.5% down payment, and you can get that with a credit score of 580. Now, you can get an FHA loan with a credit score of even down to 500. However, that would mean a 10% down payment, to get that loan. And then finally, another common type of loan would be a VA. The Veterans Administration, you aren't required to have any down payment with a VA loan because it's completely backed by the VA. So that may, for you veterans, that may be something for you to really think about as well. So I hope that helps. And listen, I'd love to be a person that you can come to for advice. I really want, my mission is to be a trusted real estate advisor, and I would love to talk with you, if just to only bounce some ideas and help you out in any way I can. So give me a call, and good luck with your first time home purchase.